Never give up. Motivational English Story for Beginners. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is day 11 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Today's lesson is special. Today we're going to listen to a beautiful motivational story. This story will help you improve your English and inspire you to never give up. So sit back, relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me whenever you can. Let's begin. There was a young boy named David. David was 16 years old. He lived in a small town with his parents. His family was simple. They didn't have much money, but they had big dreams. David wanted to become a successful engineer. However, there was one problem. He was very weak in mathematics. No matter how hard he studied, he always got low marks. One day, he failed an important exam. He felt heartbroken. He thought, maybe I'm not smart enough. For several days, he stopped studying. He lost his confidence. He stopped believing in himself. One evening, his father entered his room. He sat beside David. He smiled kindly and asked, "What's wrong, my son?" David looked down and replied, "I keep failing. Maybe I should give up." His father didn't become angry. Instead, he walked outside. A few moments later, he came back with a tiny seed in his hand. He placed it on David's palm. Then he asked, "What do you see?" David answered, "Just a small seed." His father smiled. Then he said, "This tiny seed can become a huge tree one day, but it doesn't grow overnight. It grows little by little, every single day." David listened quietly. His father continued, "Success works the same way. Small progress, every day, creates big success." Those simple words changed David's life forever. The next morning, he woke up early. He didn't study for 10 hours. Instead, he studied for just 1 hour. But he studied every single day. Whenever he made mistakes, he didn't quit. He learned from them. Slowly, week after week, month after month, he became better. His confidence grew. His fear disappeared. 1 year later, David took the same exam again. This time, he passed. Not only did he pass, he scored one of the highest marks in his class. His parents were proud. David smiled and said, "I didn't succeed because I was the smartest. I succeeded because I never gave up." Now remember this lesson. Success doesn't come overnight. Small efforts, repeated every day, create big results. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Keep learning, keep improving, keep believing in yourself. One day, your hard work will change your life. Now, repeat after me. I never give up. I believe in myself. Every day I improve. Mistakes help me learn. My future is bright. I will achieve my dreams. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed today's motivational English story, please like this video, subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor, and continue practicing English every single day. I'll see you tomorrow with another beautiful English story. Until then, keep smiling, keep learning, and never give up.